Well, September is National Kinship Month, a time to recognize families who step up to care for children when their parents can't. And the Children's Home Network's Kinship program helps keep kids staying with relatives by providing resources and support. Larry Cooper and Regina Harris are joining us today to share how this program is changing lives right here in our community. So welcome to the show.
Thanks for having us.
Yeah. Okay, I'll start with you. Can you kind of explain this program and how it works?
Yes, here in the Tampa Bay area, we have over 40,000 kids that are living with grandparents, aunts and uncles, maybe cousins or adult siblings when they can't be with their parents. A lot of times they would have maybe ended up in the foster care system, but we really work hard to find relatives and make sure kids can be with people that they know and love.
Yeah, and this is something that you know about firsthand.
Most definitely.
Because you were raising 4 of your
Yes,
grandkids, right? Talk about that and how difficult it can be at times.
Well, it can be difficult, especially when you don't have the resources that you need. And most definitely, we need encouragement and we need guidance. You know, a lot of people don't know that this service is available for you, but you can also remember that you're not alone and someone's here to help you, to encourage you and to guide and see you through it.
Yeah, and now you help your 4 grandkids are now back with their mom.
Yes.
And you are helping other families.
I am helping other families.
What do you find their biggest need is?
The biggest need is mostly financially. Most of the time they just need encouragement. They need to be guided through the systems of what benefits and resources are available for them. So pretty much when you put those things together, that actually makes the journey better and easier for them.
Yeah, and why is it important to keep children with a relative rather than foster care? I mean, it seems obvious.
Yeah, I mean, they get to stay with their siblings. The grandparent knows their history. They know all about their habits and their interests, and they get to stay in their neighborhoods and oftentimes, you know, stay at the same church, the same schools, and it really reduces that trauma potentially that those kids would experience by going into foster care, because in our foster care system we have wonderful foster homes, but sometimes kids can't stay together in the same home. They might move to a different neighborhood and not see their family as often as they would like to. With a grandparent, they've got that ability to really make it a kind of a smoother transition for them.
Yeah, so there are a lot of families in our community, a lot of grandparents, relatives raising other relatives that may not even realize that this help is available. So what message do you have for them?
Yeah, no, absolutely. I run into people everywhere that say, oh, I know somebody or I've experienced this. And so we tell folks all the time, you know, we have to be out in the community, outreaching at every opportunity, because families are sometimes afraid to even let people know, right? They might not even have legal custody, so they're afraid that somebody's going to come in and take the grandkids and put them into foster care. So we really want them to know, as Regina was saying, there's help out there, and there's so many systems that these families have to navigate: school, health care, maybe mental health, and having somebody to kind of guide them along makes it easier, and it makes it so much smoother. So important. So we just want to be able to let folks know that we are here and available, and we partner with other agencies throughout the community. The Family Enrichment Center, Gulf Coast Jewish Community Services, all wrap their hands around and their arms around these grandparents, and it's a joy. I've been doing this work for 20 years. One of my most favorite jobs in social work is working with grandparents.
Wow, and I know we mentioned grandparents a lot, but I'm sure there are other relatives, aunts, uncles, maybe even other kids who are grown taking care of their siblings.
Siblings, that are taken care of, most definitely.
Yeah. And so tell me about, are you encouraging people to just get in touch with you? How easy is it?
Yeah, they can just reach out to us. It's as easy as a phone call. It's as easy as an email. We have on our website a referral form. So it's really easy to access us. And sometimes it could be a school social worker, a teacher, a neighbor, just a phone call, and our team immediately is getting in touch with them. We're showing up with a welcome bag, because we know sometimes it happens overnight. Sometimes they're getting a call from a police officer who says, you know, I really need you to come pick up your grandkids. And so they're not prepared with a car seat and toiletries and clothes.
So that's where you
they got to
come
go to school tomorrow. We jump right in. We jump right in.
Perfect.
We provide all that.
Yeah. Well, how can someone, do you have a website, or how can someone get in touch with you?
Yeah, they can go right online at children'shomenetwork.org. They can make a referral right there. Our phone number, we have support groups that are available to all the families.
Perfect. Well, thank you so much for joining us today.
Definitely.
And stay with us. We'll be right back.